David Faber, of course, off today, but as is common, David, calling in with news, especially with the story we're watching today. Good morning.
Good morning, guys. Yeah, it's a typical day off. We're going to get news. We're obviously keeping a close eye. I know you guys are on Silicon Valley Bank. A few things to share here at this point. As the market already seems to be well aware, though I don't believe the company has formally announced, and that may be why it is a halted news pending, that capital raise that Goldman Sachs had embarked on is a fail. It's not going to happen. There are plenty of reasons people can point to for why. They certainly didn't seem to time it particularly well in terms of crystallizing a loss and then going out to the market as opposed to actually having the capital raise when they knew they were going to take that loss in that bond portfolio. But beyond that, I can also tell you that separately, the bank, Silicon Valley Bank, has hired advisors, not Goldman Sachs, has hired advisors to seek a sale. Again, not unexpected, right? You would expect, given the inability to raise capital and the fact that deposits are fleeing this thing at an incredibly rapid rate, that they then would go to say, okay, can we get sold? And I am told that there are large financial institutions who've looked at this bank for some time, who are at least considering taking a look. Does it mean that anything will happen? Absolutely not. In a situation like this, as you guys can well remember from the financial crisis, deposits can move very, very quickly. So by the end of the day, who knows where things stand. But I can tell you that there is a separate advisor from Goldman that has been brought in, that is taking inquiries, that is reaching out, that large financial institutions are at least taking a look at Silicon Valley Bank because, Jim, as you know, and you were just discussing, I mean, it is a franchise that is somewhat unique in negatives, perhaps in some way, but also in positives. Its connection to high net worth, the VC community. So it is something that a number of banks have looked at in the past. If you could get in there quickly, stem the outflow of deposits, you might actually be able to pick something up of great value. So that's at least what I'm hearing right now. And as we all know, this is a very dynamic situation.
Absolutely, David.